Right now I am running. If you can't see that already. I'm playing Survivor Games 4. I'm not here with anyone besides from Hulk. Yeah, so we're in Survival Games 4. So let's get straight into this. Okay, so Survival Games have begun. I'm not gonna get anything, so I am running. I don't want to start talking to you since my new YouTube channel is up. It looks like someone's gonna kill me. I'm not quite sure, but I'm lagging. Please get a stone sword, that's not good enough. He's going here, which means I can go to the roof. Backpack. Oh, yes, I got it from Josh. Don't know who Josh is, it's just someone in my class. Uh-oh. Okay, that's not. I was about to say, I'm always connection. Got some main weapons, so that's good. Who thinks that's bad? Yes! I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use my wooden sword. If you guys know how much I'm lagging, please subscribe. Right now I am running. If you can't see that already. Okay, and that was Hunger Games with Sockeye. See you next time with another Hunger Games video. Bye.